Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my garden into a paradise full of orange trees that you can pick from for free. Imagine walking into your backyard and being surrounded by the sweet aroma of fresh oranges, the vibrant color of the fruit glistening in the sunlight, and the joy of plucking a juicy orange right from the tree and taking a bite. It's like having your own personal orange oasis, and it's a dream come true for many of us. Many of us want to grow our own fruit, but we often get held back by thoughts of not having enough space, not knowing how to care for the trees, or worrying that they won't thrive in our climate. We might think that growing fruit trees is a daunting task, only for the experienced gardeners or those living in specific regions. But what if I told you that it's not as difficult as you think? One of the biggest misconceptions about growing fruit trees is that you need a huge backyard or a special climate. But the truth is, there are many varieties of orange trees that can thrive in small spaces and in a range of climates. You just need to choose the right variety for your area and provide the right conditions. Another challenge people face is the maintenance. They think that fruit trees require constant pruning, watering, and fertilizing. While it's true that they do need some TLC, it's not as time-consuming as you might think. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest with minimal effort. And then there's the fear of failure. What if the trees don't grow, or the fruit doesn't develop?